everybody, Chef Pete is here today in the kitchen, and you know what? Sometimes we just gotta make something different. So today, I'm gonna make air-fried fried chicken. Right, fried chicken, sometimes we have a craving for it, and let's make it the healthiest way we can. Okay, so on the board, I have a half a chicken, and I'm gonna cut this up right now, right in front of your eyes. I'm cutting the wing up. I'm cutting the wing right here, and the wing is now going to be, there we are, into two pieces and into my bowl. I have a leg and a thigh. Now you can leave the skin on for your fried chicken, or you can take it off. That's all up to you, okay? It's up to what you guys want to do, all right? So here we go. We're going to cut right through here. And there we go. We'll just snap him right there through the joint, and we're going to cut him just like this. Cut him right through. I don't know what's happening here. It's a little frozen, but that's okay. All right, and here we have our thigh. I'm going to take the skin off of these pieces today, and that way I can get all the goodness when we go to bread it, and we're going to get the goodness on here on our chicken, right? Okay, so first what I do is I take all of these pieces into our bowl, and here we have a thigh. So what I'm going to do with the thigh is just come here along the bone, turn them around, come along the bone, and I am going to just cut right here, and we have a little piece of bone here. We'll just kind of come down on it like that and just cut it so it cooks a little quicker if we just pull that out like that. And then we have a little bit of fat here. If you like the fat, if you like the skin, I'm leaving a little fat. By all means, leave it. Okay, so now we have the breast, and I'm going to take the skin off the breast here like I've done with the rest of it. And you see I'm piling it up over here because we like to keep our board so we can work on it. And we have here our breastbone in the back. Okay, so what we're going to do is just take this, and I'm going to cut this straight down like this and straight down like this. Okay, so I have 3 pieces of breast meat, and we're just going to pull straight back like this. Pull, 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 and this will come out. A little piece of breastbone, and that will come out. And then I'm going to just cut right down here like this, just like this. There's all easy ways to cut. And then I'm going to pull on it like this and see if we can't get it to separate from the bone, right? Okay, so there we go. All right, and then I'm going to come in here and pull it. And there's a little piece of the breastbone there, and we're just going to pull it like this with our knife, and it will come right out. Okay, so there's a little piece of the breastbone here. We're just going to cut it right here with a piece of that cartilage. Okay, and so then I have one, and then I have another piece here. We'll just come down on top of the bone just like this and pull it so it's straight coming off our breastbone. There we go, and we have another piece. Okay, and then finally I'm going to come this direction and just slide him up a little bit so he comes off. And you know, you can do this if you like to leave the bones on. I like to take the bones out, and here's a piece of bone here. I'm just going to cut it so it comes off. There we go, and we have our breast meat like this and like this. So we leave the meat with the meat and the bone with the bone. Okay, and so there we go. We got meat with the meat and the bone with the bone. And here's another piece of breast meat. And we'll take a look real quick here. I have some more of this here. We can cut this off.